This is the light switches just beside the dining room door. The middle light switch has been blocked by a plastic piece, and that controls the motion detector above the driveway. If you move into the kitchen, there is a similar device on this light switch, and it controls the floodlight behind the back bedroom. If we move into the front hall, this is the one you're going to care about the most, I think. This is covering the light switch that controls the power to your irrigation system. When we put in a special outlet for that system, I don't know how it happened, but it's an interior outlet, but it is controlled by this light switch. And so if that ever gets turned off, you will wonder why your irrigation system doesn't work. It also controls the outside outlet under the balcony of the living room, where you probably will plug in Christmas lights.